So here we have to find out the ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment joining the point 2, -3 and 5, 6. So clearly we can see here that 5, 6, that's a point that's going to lie above the x-axis, and 2, -3 is going to lie below the x-axis here because the y-coordinate is negative. So let's suppose that we have a point A, and we're going to suppose that its coordinates are 5, 6. Then we're going to consider another point B with the coordinates 2, -3. Now let's say we join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. Now here let us suppose that we have the x-axis. So the x-axis is going to be, if we start from point B, it's going to be 3 units above it. So let's say somewhere here it's going to cross the line AB. So let's say it's crossing the line AB at a particular point, and we're going to name this point as x, y. Now clearly y coordinate, that's going to be 0, but we'll come that to in a moment. So this is the particular point C. So we can clearly observe here that C is dividing the line segment AB. Let us suppose that it is dividing the line segment in the ratio k:1. Fine. So our goal will be to obtain the value of k, and that's going to help us obtain the ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment AB. Fine. So here all we have to do is use the internal section formula. So let us begin. So the coordinates of point C, which is x, y, this will be given by using the internal section formula. So we will take k and multiply with b, and then we will take 1 and multiply it with a. So we have k times the x coordinate of b, so that's 2. Added to, we have 1 times the x coordinate of a, so 1 times 5 will be simplified, divided by the sum of the ratios k plus 1. Then coming to the y coordinate, so we'll take k and multiply it with the y coordinate of b, so that gives us -3k. Plus we have 1 multiplied to the y coordinate of a, so that's going to be simply 6 divided by k plus 1. Fine. Now let's equate both of them. So we have x equals to 2k plus 5 divided by k plus 1. And then we have y equals to -3k plus 6 divided by k plus 1. Now, however, our goal will be to determine the value of k. However, we know that the value of y, since it's on the x-axis, so y will be 0 on the x-axis. That's evident. So that means we can equate -3k plus 6 over k plus 1 to 0, which means that we have -3k plus 6 equals to 0, which gives us k value equals to 2. So since we need the ratio k:1, so we have 2:1, and that means option B is going to be the correct option. So this is the ratio in which the x-axis is dividing the line segment, which is joining the points 2, -3 and 5, 6.